Picture a world where art meets function, a sphere in which beauty is not compromised for comfort, but rather realized through it. In this world, artisans with years of training and unmatchable skills meticulously design the epitome of high-end customized shoes. Each cut of the leather, every stitch, and the final polish, all befitting the immense mastery of craftsmanship. These aren't just any shoes. They are a personal statement, individualized just for you. We invite you to journey with us as we unveil the intricate process, starting with a single piece of the finest leather, carefully selected for its quality and smoothness. Observe as the craftsmen and women bring life to the leather through precise cuts and elegant stitching, shaping it to perfection. We expose the thoughtfulness that goes into the design, the passionate hours spent on every detail, ensuring each pair is not just a piece of footwear, but a personalized masterpiece embracing your essence.